Hey friends, if you wish to disable low disk space message in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So we need to go to a certain registry key if you wish to disable the message. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Go to HKey current user, software, Microsoft Windows current version and policies. Right click on policy, select new key and type the key name Explorer, and in the right pane you have to mention this as no disk space checks. Right click new devo 32-bit value, no disk space checks. Double click and change the value data to 1. Hit enter to save the settings and reboot your system. Now you won't get the message, but this doesn't mean that you cannot encounter the problem of low disk space on Windows. It only means you will not get the message, the warning message for it. So in this case, here's what you can do. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK and then check the boxes here and then click on OK and then click on delete files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.